Chronic kidney disease is surprisingly common. About 1 in 10 people have some degree of it, though most would be unaware they have it. Yet a very small portion of these people will experience kidney failure. Your kidneys are biological marvels. They're sometimes referred to as little chemists because they analyse and intervene in many processes in the body and control many vital functions. Your kidneys work extremely hard at looking after your blood. Your entire blood supply of around 4.5 litres passes through your kidneys about once every 5 minutes. They work a bit like filters by removing waste products. These wastes come from the normal breakdown of tissues and from food. Food and drink enter your stomach and are broken down into nutrients, which your body needs for energy, maintenance, and repairs. Solid wastes are removed and the nutrients enter your bloodstream. This is where your kidneys really get to work. They check your blood for its contents, recycle what they think your body needs, and discard the rest. This may even include excess nutrients. Every day your kidneys process about 200 litres of blood. From this, they sift out about 2 litres of waste products and excess water. Your urine is simply the water containing these wastes. If your kidneys did not remove these wastes, they'd build up in the blood and damage your body. The removal of wastes from your blood occurs in tiny hairpin-shaped structures inside your kidneys called nephrons. Each of your kidneys has about 1 million of these. When blood first enters a nephron, some of the waste and water is filtered out in a tiny structure called the glomerulus. The waste fluid called filtrate flows down a tiny tube called a tubule. But your kidneys haven't finished with it just yet. As it winds its way out of the nephron, the tubule intertwines with tiny blood vessels. A two-way exchange takes place as your kidneys measure things like sodium, phosphorus, and potassium and fine-tune the balance of all these chemicals in the blood. By balancing salts, acids and fluid in the body, and by producing hormones and enzymes, your kidneys perform a number of vital jobs. They maintain your water and chemical balance. They control your blood pressure. They stimulate the production of red blood cells when you need them, and they maintain strong and healthy bones. A number of things can affect your kidneys, most commonly diabetes and high blood pressure, and sometimes disease or injury. The end result, though, is usually some form of damage to the nephrons, which limits their ability to filter your blood. Sometimes the effects are temporary, depending on the cause, but when the damage to the kidneys is permanent, we call this chronic kidney disease. There are 5 stages of chronic kidney disease. These stages relate to the amount of kidney damage you have and how good your kidneys are at checking and cleaning your blood. This is referred to as your kidney function. Stages 1 to 3 represent mild to moderate chronic kidney disease. At this stage, you usually don't know you have a problem. but if diagnosed and with careful management, many people in this stage can slow or stop the progression of their disease. In stage 4, symptoms tend to develop, although at first you might simply lack energy or feel a little unwell, and it may not seem too unusual. Later, a variety of other symptoms may develop. Things like poor appetite, muscle cramps, puffiness, and dry or itchy skin. This is the time to begin thinking about your future treatment options. By preparing yourself early, you'll be ready to make an informed choice if and when your disease progresses to the next stage. Stage 5 indicates nearly total and permanent kidney failure. This is called end-stage renal disease. If your kidneys stop working completely, your body gradually fills with waste products. Hands or feet may swell, and you'll feel tired and weak because your body needs clean blood to function properly. If left untreated, this condition will lead to death. People with end-stage renal disease must undergo dialysis or receive a kidney transplant to stay alive.